Here we are again, ladies and gentlemen. Estamos en el city of Hidalgo. Look at this big old ebony tree. Anyway, like I'm saying, no job is too big. We're always on it. Aquí estamos por la Coma Street y la First, South Coma. Look at this beautiful ebony, man. Damn, look at that. Gorgeous tree. Anyway, like I always say, you got trees like these, let me know, and we'll go and remove them. Beautiful, you know. Chulo los pedazos de ébano. That's gonna be this is gonna be a nice tree. Oye, Papa, you think we can fit the whole thing in the trailer? Toda esta leña. Anyway, look at this, gorgeous. Later, guys. Mira todo el ramero que salió. Ya tenemos troque. Now we got a truck, man. Anyway, later, guys.